Good morning, everyone. It's time for an auction preview day at machinesused.com. Integrated Tooling Systems. Haas VF3, Haas VF2, 15,000 RPM. The side mount tool changer. There's only 600 and some spindle hours on this machine. Bandsaw, single lip tool and cutter grinder, and a LeBlanc Regal engine lathe with digital readout. And here's the sinker EDM area. 2 Makino EDNC 43 CNC sinkers and the Makino Edge 3 CNC sinker EDM, new in 2018. It has about 800 cutting hours on it, or burning hours to be actual. Thanks. What Wilton radial arm drill is really nice. A LeBlanc Makino FNC 60 CNC vertical machining center. And you can check out this Grobe vertical bandsaw. And it's too late for you to be the first one here because he is. Anyway, really cool heavy duty mold tables with gantry crane system. Don't forget about the Fanuc RoboCut 1C CNC wire EDM. Loaded with Okamoto surface grinders. A Baldor double end carbide tool grinder, pedestal grinders, pin grinders, and the Mitsubishi ED2000M EDM hole popper. And tooling and accessories like crazy. So come on down, it's preview day. Machinesused.com. It's on the website. We're open today 9 to 4 and Saturday 9 to noon.